Hi, I'm Daisy from Spartan Overland, and my floor mats suck. My floor mats suck. It'll probably work. All right, so let's open up these Lasfit floor mats. Okay. All right, let's whip these bad boys right out. All right, driver and passenger. And the big Mamba Jim. You can manually fold it in the opposite direction. The only one that looks funky is this one. I don't even. All right, so my theory, y'all, is this gonna slide right in. I think the anchor points are gonna be the only difference. Ain't moving my seat. What'd I tell you? Look at that. Fits perfectly in there. No slide, no play. Not gonna slide up under my pedals or do anything crazy. The only thing I think really is different is there's drain holes I'm pretty sure are in 14 and ups that I don't have, and that's what this is here for. But she fits. She looks beautiful. Let's do the next set. All right, so there's this anchor here. It's just a little hooky thing. If it becomes problematic, we're just gonna tear it out. Look, y'all. She just slides right in there. There's a little ripple right there. We didn't have on the other side. Just a tiny little kink, but I don't think it might actually settle as the mats sit in here for a while. One more. This in a very strategic way. There we go. Look, I really like that it's one whole piece. My previous mats were two separate pieces. So I like that it's all one piece. And I think these little flappies are cool. I can come over and tuck that one, or you can do. And again, I think as it sits in here, it will settle and be more, a little more just like laying against the floor. Because right now you get a little bit of, you know, but it's been packaged up, so. Looks really good. I like this fun little tread print that's on here. Probably won't like that when it's time to clean them, but it's pretty cool. Told y'all it'd work. So I'm a big enough person to admit when I'm wrong. Turns out, we put the front mats on the wrong sides. So if you remember earlier, I mentioned there was a little bit of a crinkle. And I also mentioned how the mat doesn't go up as high on the carpeted center as my old ones did. I'm thinking that all of those issues are gonna be resolved when we put them on the correct side of the vehicle. So let's give that a shot. You know, looking at it now, it's really obvious. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. It's almost like it was supposed to go there. It's great. Look, it fits so much better. This side up here where I was complaining, I was like, why would they put so much of a side over here? This is plastic. But now, they knew what they were doing, guys. They knew it all along. Oh my gosh. And we thought they fit good before. It's cool. It's so good. Y'all, I might have been just kind of settling yesterday. I was like, okay, I guess. But look, these look so much, okay, they fit. And I'm telling you, this is the part that had me throwed yesterday, because I was like, why is this lip against the plastic? That doesn't make any sense at all. It's because we were dumb. That's why. Because looking at this is painfully obvious. This is the direction it goes, okay? It's all right. You can't get it right every time, but we got it right the second time. All right, guys, so that is the Lasfit. I've been told I say it with a Z. I say it with the country, okay? So this is the Lasfit 2014 to 2018 JKU. So it is for a 4-door. If you have a 2-door, you are gonna get the back one whether you need it or not. They are weatherproof. They're gonna be easy to clean. They are molded to fit specifically the Wrangler. Turns out, even older than the 14, because as I've said, Moxie is a 2007, and they fit perfectly in there, especially when you put them on the right side. So, and I've actually driven with them for at least a day at this point. There was zero movement, no shift in any of the mats. They all stayed exactly where they're supposed to. And I like that they all have a nice lip, so if you're like me and you've got kids and they're gonna spill stuff, or if we're out on the trails in the mud and water and stuff, it's not gonna splash up onto the carpet, which is really nice. Overall, I think these are solid and they're very competitive with what else is on the market in their pricing. Right now, they're on sale, but they usually run right around $150. I think they're great, and I think they're doing a wonderful job, and I'm really bad at wrap-ups, guys, and trying to give you product details, so I'm really trying here. But anyway, if you stuck around, watch the whole review, thanks, we appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up or comment, tell us we suck, tell us you like them, whatever. If you haven't already subscribed, you should. That would be awesome of you. And until next time, get out and explore.